You know, trading can look like the fast lane to easy money. It's tempting, right? The idea that you can just jump in, make a few clicks, and suddenly you're rolling in cash. That's the dream sold everywhere. Charts, numbers flying, big wins everywhere you look on social media. It's all about the highlight reels. People showing off their best days, their biggest wins, and their luxury lifestyles. But here's the truth. Most people lose. In fact, 90% of traders see their accounts disappear. The reality is far less glamorous than what you see online. Why? Because they forget the golden rule: protect your capital. It's not about how much you can make in a day, but how much you can keep over time. If you lose your money, you're out. Simple as that. No chance to learn, no way to bounce back. The market doesn't care about your hopes or dreams, it only cares about discipline. So let's talk about the basics, the stuff that keeps you in the game when everyone else is dropping out. These are the habits and mindsets that separate survivors from the statistics. Right, here's what you need to remember. There are 3 golden rules for capital protection. These aren't just tips, they're your foundation. Rule number 1. Only risk 1 to 2% per trade. This is your safety net, your way of making sure one bad trade doesn't wipe you out. That means, if you're trading with 1,000 pounds, don't risk more than 10 pounds or 20 pounds on a single trade. It might feel small, but it's the difference between surviving a losing streak and blowing up your account. Sounds boring? Good. Greed wipes out traders fast. The slow, steady approach is what keeps you in the game. Patience is what keeps you going. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, you're still standing. That's the power of small risks. You live to fight another day. Rule number 2, always use a stop loss. This is your emergency brake, your way of saying, enough is enough. Never go into a trade without knowing exactly where you'll get out if things go wrong. Set your stop loss before you even think about your target. A stop loss is like your seatbelt, boring until you need it, then it saves your life. It's not exciting, but it's essential. Decide your exit before you enter, no exceptions. This is how you stay in control, no matter what the market throws at you. Rule number 3, avoid overtrading. It's easy to think that more trades mean more chances to win, but that's a trap. More trades do not mean more profits. In fact, the opposite is usually true. Overtrading leads to mistakes, stress, and losses. Wait for those golden setups. The best opportunities don't come every minute, they come when you're patient and selective. Some days the best trade is no trade at all. Sitting on your hands can be your greatest strength. If it doesn't feel right, walk away. There's always another opportunity tomorrow. Now here's something most beginners never hear. The best traders aren't the ones making huge profits every week. They're the ones who know how to lose well, who manage risk and stay calm. They're the ones losing the least. It's not about never losing, it's about making sure your losses are small and manageable. If you lose 50% of your account, you've got to double your money just to get back to where you started. That's a hole that's tough to climb out of. That's a mountain to climb when you're under pressure. The emotional toll can be just as heavy as the financial one. Protect your capital. Let the profits take care of themselves. Your number 1 job is to survive. Trading isn't about making a quick fortune, it's about building skills, discipline, and resilience over time. It's about sticking around long enough to learn, adapt, and eventually win. The longer you last, the more you learn and the better you get, so treat your capital like it's your lifeline, because in trading, it absolutely is. Without it, you're out of the game. Survive first, profit later. That's the real secret to lasting success in trading. Remember, trade smart, survive first, profit later. That's how you build a future in the markets, one smart, protected trade at a time.